Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make egg roti. Let's get started. First I am taking 300 grams of all-purpose flour and add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and mix them. Then add 1 cup of water gradually while mixing them. 1 cup of water is 130 milliliters. Now it's time for the kneading. Knead the mixture for 5 to 6 minutes. Make sure you knead them well continuously until dough becomes smoother. Then add 2 tablespoons of oil to the bowl and apply that oil to the dough. After that keep it closed. Approximately you have to keep it closed for half an hour. Now take out the dough and then divide into equal pieces. Then make round shape balls. If you still watching the video and if you like my recipe, comment below, as I like this. Then flatter the pieces using the roller. Flatter the pieces to get medium thickness. Then apply some oil on one side of the pieces and stack them together. Now sprinkle some flour to the surface and flatter them using the hand. Here I am using the roller to flatter the pieces further. Then heat the pan on medium flame and cook the pieces as stack. When each side cook enough, take the roti one by one as you can see in the video. Don't overcook the roti at this moment. At this moment I would like to know from which city or country you are joining with me, so I can personally thank you for watching my videos. Now keep them closed with clean cloth for about 20 minutes. Then it's time to prepare the filling. I am taking 5 medium-sized eggs. And I am adding some carrots, onions, leeks, curry leaves and chilies. Quantities can be added as per the taste you like. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and some black pepper powder and mix them well. Now heat the pan on medium flames and apply some oil using a paper. Then take 1 roti each and add vegetable egg mixture. Now fold the roti as you can see in the video. You can fold them any shape as you like. Then apply some oil to the roti and cook both sides well. See how nice this egg roti looks? Try making this recipe at home and share your experience with me. Don't forget to like and share the video, that will help me greatly. Thank you for watching the recipe till the end. See you in the next video. Thank you.